Loretta Ayers with Magic. Welcome. This is your official Cardinal bird walk of West Newton. Stay tuned.
Magic, say hello. Hello, bird people. Say hi. Let's walk, bird people. Have fun. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Look at the pretty birdie. We'll be right back.
Hi, this is Rainbow, my beautiful son Conyer. He's 5 years old. He doesn't like cameras, but he's my crow-sounding bird. Say hi, Rainbow.
Hi. We'll be right back. We have one more bird to show you. Her name.
Hi, this is my female mystic, my AKA Mimi. What I call her Mimi a lot. Yes, it's easy for the birds to say me versus mystic, so I call her Mimi. Hi there. And most of my words I sing was with the word me in it. Yes, my sweet little girl. I love you. We're going to be walking soon. Say hey. Say good morning, everybody. This is my girl, Mystic. Stay tuned. We're going to walk the official bird walk of West Newton. Yeah. Loretta Ayers with Magic. Welcome to the first official bird walk of West Newton. First, we walk in place. And then we go to side steps. And we always go back to walking in between. Alright, a couple more walks, and we're going to go to side steps. And a side to side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Side step. Simple side step. That's it, Magic. Side step. Alright, then we're going to go back to walking. Alright, we're going to go to kicks. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick. Simple kick. I'm going to go back to walking soon. A couple more kicks. Alright, back to walking. Next is knee lifts. Give me a couple more walks. Remember to breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee lift. Simple knee lift. Okay. Knee lift. Okay, we're going to go back to walking. Next, I'd like to introduce you to is called kickbacks. Couple more walks and breathe. Kickback is simply you're taking your knee and you're kicking back. Okay, keep walking. 1, 2, 3, 4, and kick back. Just a simple kick back. Kick back. Kick back. Kick. Kick. Come on. Let's do our simple kickbacks. Give me a couple more. Come on. 1, 2, And walk back. Give me a couple more walks. Come on, Maddie. Come on. You can do that. Come on. Couple more walks. Say hi. We're going to walk up. And we're going to walk back. Say yeah. Come on, bird. Let's walk up. Up. We're going to go up. Say good morning, everybody. Yes. And we walk back. Say up. You have room? Walk around. Around your house and back. Come on. Let's go up. And back. And up. And back. That's it. And go up and back. Make room going up and back. Rainbow. Now we go back and walk in place. Don't forget to breathe. Yes. Want to keep it simple. This is a simple walk. Nothing too fast. We're going to build up to that later. First, it's just simple. I want to go back the side of the steps. Come on. That's it. We're going to put our wings out. Wings out. Come on. Side, side. Come on, everybody. Let's put our wings out. Come on. Call the Cardinal. Come on, everybody. Call the Cardinal. Come on, everybody. Let's put our wings up. Wings up. Wings up. Come on, birdies. Let's show our best bird impression ever. Yeah, the Cardinal lady of West Newton. And let's everybody do our Cardinal. You have a Cardinal party? Come on, people. We love Cardinals here. Well, okay, we're going back to walking. Okay, walk, walk. We're going to go back to kicks. Call the bird, Magic. Call the bird. I know you call the bird, Magic. You're going to sleep on me, probably. Okay, what I say, we're going to go to kicks soon. All right. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Kick. Yeah, kick. Simple kick. Kick. That's it. Kick. We're going to put our wings out like this. Come on. We're going to do little wings up, side, little, what do they call it? One hand, opposite leg. One hand, opposite leg. One hand, opposite leg. Come on, people. Let's work it. Yeah. Let's stretch it and work out. And feel wonderful. Yes. Feeling peaceful and happy. Yes, because you're walking today and feeling wonderful. Yeah. All right, people, let's go back to walking soon. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to walking. Whee! Little birds happening. That's it. Say hello. Come on, people, let's get walking. Walk. We're going to be doing knee lifts soon. 11 more walks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee up. Okay, let's do a little crossing. Up. Whee! Come on. Whee! Wings up, come on, wings up. Whee, wings up. Whee, come on. Hello. Whee. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to walking. Breathe. Woo. Let's go back to walking. Yeah. Hello. Woo. Third head that was groovy. Isn't that groovy? Come on, birdies. Let's go back to walking up and back. Come on. Up. And back. Let's get a little motion to it. Woo! Come on. Yeah. Back to walk. Singing the lead song, bluebird, bluebird. To you, we're gonna do side steps. We got more walks. Ladybug, crawl on my finger. Ladybug, ladybug, yeah. 4, 3, 2. Side step, come on. Whee, come on, people. Let's do a side step. Whee. All right, give me the wings up soon. 10, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wings up. Whee, come on. Yay! Put our wings down. Back to walking. Yeah! Happy birthday. Yay!
Back on that?
Yes. We'll be right back, folks. Say hey. Hey, I want you all to take a moment and breathe. We're going to take a moment and walk. Keep walking. We're going to take a little break. Keep walking in place. That's it. Remember, wings up, kicks, and knee ups is the basic steps, people. Make room in your living room. Make a little bit of room there, folks. Move the furniture around. Take care of yourselves. It's worth it. Play with your birds in the process. Whistle, people, whistle. It makes you feel good. Sing if you want to sing. Put your favorite music on and walk in the background while you walk to Leslie. Have a good day. She's on YouTube and she has her own app. Look for it on YouTube. And she's also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. She's everywhere. Her name is Leslie Sansone. Thank you. I'll be back. are walking in place. Welcome, and hope you enjoyed your brief little break.
My singing sparrow.
Magic is back on this play, Jim. Rainbow will be in the background talking, I'm sure. Alright, let's go back to simple steps first, and we'll build it up. Okay, let's walk. We're going to go back to side steps. Yeah, side steps magic. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Side. We're going to put our wings out. Yes, everybody put our wings out, out, out. Yes, we're going to try something new, everybody. I just created it just now, okay? We're going to introduce you another step. We're going to keep doing the legs side to side, and we're going to move our arms like this, like a bird. Yes, come on, bird people. Let's go up and back, come on. Yeah. We're watching bird TV. Well, it's my videos anyway off of YouTube. Yeah, and I got magic over there. Come on, bird people. All right, we're going to put our arms down and keep walking in place. And breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. In this case, birds, breathe in through your nostrils and out through your bird's beak. That's it. Ah, yes, that feels good, doesn't it? We're going to go back to kick soon, all right? And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Kick. Yes, we're going to put our arms up. Arms up. Come on, arms out. Arms out. Yes, come on, people. Let's put our wings up. Come on. Wings up. Oh, that feels good. Yeah. Let's kick it. Come on, girls. Let's kick, and boys. Let's kick. Let's kick. Let's kick. Ah, yes, and breathe. And we're going to go back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to walk. Yay. Yay. What are you doing, Mr. Magic? Come here. Come on. Come on, let's go back to walking, everybody. Yes, get your bird if he's doing something that he shouldn't be doing. That's what he was doing. Yes, let's go back. Come on, let's go. What we're going to do is knee up. And eventually we're going to add on to knees. Yes, we're going to do double knees. But not yet. We're going to just make it simple, and we're going to build it up. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Knee up. Knee up. Knee up. That's it. Come on, let's get our arms up as high as you can. Up. Up. That's it. Come on. That's it. We can do it. Put our wings up. Feet up, 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 up. Let's feel good. Yes. I'm going to go back to walking shortly. Yes, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to walking. Yes. And breathe. I always remember to breathe. That feels good. Yes. We're going to go back to kick back soon. Yes, sir. Let's keep walking. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to simple kickbacks. Kickbacks, and just show you what that is. That's basically you're taking your legs and you're kicking back. Come on, let's kick back. And this time we're going to add our wings, people. Yes, let's put our wings up. Come on, let's reach. Let's reach. Come on, let's reach and kick. Reach and kick. Whee! Come on. Call the birdies, everybody. That's called a cardinal. Oh, yes. You get the cardinal call, and you call the cardinal that way. He isn't practice, that's all. Let's go. We're going to go back to walking soon. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Yeah. Let's go back. We're going to go to side steps soon. Yes, let's get me more walks and breathe. Yes, and when you need to take a break and get a glass of water, take a break and get a glass of water. But just keep your legs moving.
My singing sparrow.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay, let's go back to what I say. Side steps. and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Side step. Oh yes, let's get some wings up. Come on people, let's get our wings up. Whee, let's go. Whee, we're having fun. Yes sir. Let's get them up, up. Yes, up, wings up, magic, wings up. He can do it when he's in the mood. Yes, wings up. Whee! Okay, we're gonna go back to walking. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wings down and breathe. Ah, yes, it feels good to be alive. Good morning, lady. Good morning, Birdman. Yay, having fun. The beautiful geese of West Newton. If you can see my TV, I don't know if you can or not. I'll have to watch this later, see how well it looks. Keep walking, folks. Keep walking and breathing. Yeah. It feels good. Now we're going to do that knee lift, double knee lifts, folks. But first we're going to do it single, and then we're going to add to it. Okay, but first just give me walks and breathe. And then eventually we're going to go down to cool walk.
All the ducks are in their
cool down walk. But first we're going to do a little bit of pumping. Yes. Come on, folks, let's get our heart working now. We're going to be pumping soon. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Knee up. Knee up. Knee up.
Usually don't
Knee
get
up.
these that long.
Yes, and put our
Or this
arms up.
time. Alright,
Up,
side.
up, up. Come on, folks, put it together. Up. Yeah. And we're going to be doing doubles shortly. And 4, and 3, and 2. And double is like this. 1 and 2. That's right, everybody. That's like this. Everybody knows what it, if you watch Leslie, you know what her double step is. That's right, that's right. She does all these steps on YouTube, Facebook. She's on there. Look for her. She's on Instagram. She's everywhere. Leslie Samson. She has taught me all these moves. I thank you, Leslie, for teaching me. And I'm here to teach you the basic steps. And if you want to know more, go to her. She knows more. She's the best. And I'm just here to give you basic bird walking. You can do it, folks. Just breathe and have fun. Just get up and have fun and enjoy the day. Enjoy the beauty of nature. West Newton. Y'all have a good day. I'll be right back to have a short cool down walk. Let's take a cool down walk shortly. Be right back. Okay, before we get into the cool down walk, we're going to do a double side step. It's basically a simple side step, but you add on, I call that a double rainbow. Yes, okay folks, let's do it. Okay, make room. That's the main thing. Alright, let's do it. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. First we start out with simple. Single. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do a double. 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Yeah, I'm going to add some wings, folks. Woo, come on. Wee, come on, that's fun. Wee, let's do our bird walk. Come on. Oh, by the way, this is my little female feet, Mimi. Say hi. Yeah, we're doing a bird walk. Yeah, yeah. Come on, folks. Come on up. Yes. Like I said, let's put our wings up. This is fun. Okay, let's go back to walking. And we're going to be doing the kicks. And then we're going to go down to cool walking, okay? Simple cool walk. Alright? Alright. Let's go with the kicks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's kick. Let's just make it simple. Let's put our wings up. Yes. Come on, people. Let's just go like this. Let's put our wings up a little bit. A little bit. Come on. Let's put our wings up. Come on. That's good. beautiful bird morning. Yes, the bird lady let news in. Y'all have birds, you can relate to the noise. Yay, come on, let's go back to walking. Now we're gonna do the official cool down walk. There you go, young lady. Let's breathe. The cool down walk is simple, basic steps again, but slower. All right, let's keep it simple, folks. We're gonna go to side steps. Yes, simple side steps. Not too big, not too wide. Just a simple little bit. Yes, little bit. Yay. And keep breathing through your nose and out through your mouth. Yay. Cool down. Simple. Relaxing. Keeping it low. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to walking. Yes. Let's go back to walking. Then we're going to do a simple little kick. A simple little teeny weeny tiny weeny kicks. Alright, let's give it at 4, at 3, at 2, at 1. Little kicks, not big ones, but still keep your tummy in. Yes, little tiny kicks. Let's keep them going, people. Let's kick. Yeah, little kicks. Yeah. Doesn't that feel good? A simple cool down walk. Yes, come on, let's keep kicking. Kick, 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 kick. We're going to do a simple knee lift, but don't tip that knee up too high. But we're going to go back to walking first. Okay? Alright. Oh, look at that. If I put that sound on, he'll go crazy for sure. Yes, you. Alright. Little simple knee lifts like this. Just keep it low. Keep it slow. Yes. Right now we're keeping it low. Yay. Like I said, Leslie Sandstone has a new walking app. You can find information about that on Facebook. That's where I go. Or Instagram. Her name is Leslie Sandstone. She taught me all these wonderful moves. Yay, thank you, Leslie. Let's go back to walking. And we're going to breathe. Yes, simple side steps again. Yes. Keep it slow. Okay, we're going to stretch right now. Stop for a minute. Take a deep breather, and we're going to pick our arms up and stretch. Bring it back down. Loose this tension. Back up. And back down. This time we're going to hold it up there. Hold it. Reach. And reach. Touch. Bring it back down. Do some shoulders. Yes. Shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls. Get that loosen up there. Put your arms up. Halfway down. This. Back. And breathe. Hold it. Okay, release. Arms down. We're going to take our legs and do a simple stretch so we don't have any tension in our legs. Tuck our tummies back. Move our leg forward a little bit. Leg straight and back. And lean just a little bit. And bring it out. Switch. Tuck your stomach in. Stretch your leg. And bring that out. And bring your wings up. And that concludes our walk. Thank you for walking. Have a lovely morning. Say thanks. Yummy. Say thanks for watching.
All the birdies. Say, come here, birdies. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Think happy thoughts. You are surrounded by love. You're looking at the West Newton Duck Pond and the ducks. My video is on YouTube.